Here's my new box. Just got it in the mail the other day. You've seen the title up here. You know what it is. Let's give it a look here. See, I cut it up a little because I took off the label. You know, it's better than having to censor this bad boy up, but yeah, let's get into it. I really want to get into this, so one more thing before I start, I should mention, this phone is not new. I bought it used. If you remember last year's, it was like recycled. The box on the outside was recycled. You tear it off and it was already open because I bought it used. I bought this one used. They did increase the price on this device since last year's. It's up to like $6.99, I think. I got a good deal on it. Normally, that would be sealed. This is what I'm talking about. This is the recyclable tear away thing right here. And it's open already. Again, they used the recyclable box, nothing phone. This one's different. Last time there was just like slots here inside the box and then you pull it out like that. I didn't like that, but I mean, I didn't have a problem with it. This seems to be nicer design, similar to what other companies use, where you open the box, you know, you get this nice presentation. Well, this lid is heavy. This is a high quality lid. You can see the thickness of this lid alone right there, the line. Sorry, I know it's dumb to be impressed by packaging, but it's a nice touch. This thing's hard. This is very nice. I think it's nice. My favorite tool so far has been the Nothing Phone 1's tool, and we got the same exact little tool here. It's nothing special, but they give you this like little round plastic handle. I just think that's cool compared to like the typical ones. I have a typical one here. The Nothing Phone ones, love them, awesome. And here we go with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Designed by Nothing. It's got some paperwork in their own little dot matrix font. I gotta say, this is nicely packaged. For those who appreciate cool packaging, this is an upgrade from last year's. I'm really digging this. So, we got the phone. I like the box. Look at that, Earth first. Phone 2 is 53 parts made with sustainable materials. Its packaging is plastic free. Cool. Cool. Anyway, yep. If you noticed, last year I got the white one. This time I got the black one, or the gray one, whatever you call it. This is a lot lighter than the last one. The black one was really dark colored. This one is sort of like, kind of like a blue shade to it. Like a midnight color from the MacBook Airs. Right off the bat, this is easier to hold. This glass feels plasticky in the back. This feels like plastic. Last time it felt like glass. This might be glass, I have to double check, but it feels like plastic. And another thing is, it curves. I don't think I'll be able to get it on camera, but it curves to the side. The sides are completely flat still, which is what I like, but the back curves out. So here's the phone. Here's the top view of the phone, right? The real square. Big square, right? And then it curves out and then to the back flat, and then it curves again at the edge. So instead of just being completely, completely rectangular, it curves, the back curves, straightens here, then it curves at the corner. So it actually feels nicer to hold in the hand. That's the first thing I've noticed right off the bat. It's the first thing you'll notice too. Nice flat rail, curved back. You get the same two cameras. You get the same glyph going on. You get the same SIM tray here. USB-C charging again. Speakers and microphones on the top and the bottom. There's a little gap up here for speakers as well. It looks great though. This new color and then slightly modified design look a lot better than the first one. When I got the white one, I knew I should have got the black one, and so I got the darker one this time. And dang, this, I gotta tell you, this looks way better. Just my opinion. but looks really good. Not too complicated. This is the unboxing for the Nothing Phone 2. I'm finishing up some testing right now on the Flip 5. And then some cards going in here. I'll let you know my thoughts and opinions in the review. Okay, thanks. See you later.